think we'll blow more lunch than
All right, fans, as you can see on the starting line, we've got last week's winner. This is Alvin Ostrand out of Warren Center, Pennsylvania. Keystone State runner down here. Al in his second full season in competition with his 23-bucket team. Al's going to spot the sled right down the center of the track. You can see pulling out of the pit area, trying to spin off a little bit of that loose mud. Let's see if that'll work for Al here this afternoon. Here we go. See it down there, he's putting a little box English into it.
Wait till the 3 motors go off.
Every muscle in his body trying to get past that 255-foot mark, and of course we'll wait on the official measurement, but it looks close down here. And now going for 2 in a row down here with the CowBoy Catilac.
Well, it's like for 2 wins in a row, he was able to manage to catch his first one down in Gainesville. Came off, real good attempt off the line. He got this.
And of course another 1923 bucket team. Scott Chevrolet for power. You're going to spot the sled, about the same spot that Alvin Ostrand with the CowBoy Cadillac, our current leader, did. As Dale will be the final hook here in our 2-wheel drive class. All right, 257 inches, our lead distance here in the 2-wheel drive class. You've seen Dale as he pulled out of the pit area, spun a lot of that loose mud off. Let's see if he can figure out these tricky conditions on the starting line and get past that 257-foot mark. Right, we're ready to go. We got green flags on the track. We're ready to go with the Bone Shaker and Dale Woods. All right, fans, Dale Woods, the Bone Shaker, really knocked the RPMs out of the truck. He waited on a long time coming out of the starting line and just never got the horsepower to come up on the Bone Shaker. A tough run this afternoon for Dale. And fans, as he heads off the track, let's give a nice round of applause. Dale Woods and the Bone Shaker.